Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping both skin and tools so thread grips hairs reliably. Clean your face thoroughly to remove oil, then dry. That prevents slipping. Next, cut an 18-24-inch piece of 100% cotton thread and tie a secure loop, leaving about 1-2 inches overlap. This forms the working band. Sit with a well-lit mirror at eye level and lean forward so your hands are steady. Once done, position the loop under your thumbs and forefingers. Make a small opening to trap hairs. You now create and control the twisted zone that removes hairs. Twist the center of the loop about 10 to 15 times to form a compact X that will act like tiny scissors. Once twisted, use your opposite hands to open and close the loop rapidly. The twisted center should travel along the skin and snatch hairs as it moves. Move slowly across small half-inch sections so you catch only target hairs, and pull in the hair's growth direction to reduce breakage and irritation. You finish by combing skin and checking for missed hairs. After threading, press a cool compress to reduce redness, apply aloe or a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer, and inspect for stray hairs. Rethread small areas rather than overworking irritated skin. If a single stubborn hair remains, use sterilized tweezers to avoid overthreading. If you encounter persistent redness, swelling, or bleeding that lasts more than 24 hours, stop and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.